Hello, in front of me I've got 70mm 1S D06 Dash Cam. In this video I'll show you how to manage and format memory inside the camera. In the beginning, let's go to 70my app and go to settings. Enter memory card states. Enter memory card states to check your total space, photo space, emergency video space, and normal video space. Then you can format it by pressing this button.
I have stopped recording. Formatting memory card. Formatting succeeded. Adobe starts recording.
Also, you can format it by just pressing here.
I have stopped recording.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.
Formatting